This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by Sandie Hadsell. Beautifully maintained home and ready to move in condition. Freshly painted interior with an added isolated primary bedroom and a beautiful ensuite bath with attached laundry area in 2022. Large utility hallway perfect for pantry shelving. Step out back to the covered patio and sparkling gunite pool with fiberglass sides. Enjoy the 8-year-old grapevine that produces every year along with outdoor fireplace, herb garden and gorgeous annual flowers. Rear entry drive with an attached 62 square feet. Storage area. For more information, review the details below or contact Sandie Hadsell at 940-692-8120.